Friends, hello friends. In this video we are going to discuss one of the important concept of data analytics for IoT, that is called as edge streaming analysis. In IoT network, a large amount of data is going to be generated, and there a quick and real time response are required, and for such responses we need to analyze the data at the end devices, and we have to generate a response at the end device only, and end devices are going to be called as edges in your IoT network. Now, to analyze the data at the end device should have the capability to analyze that data, and when you analyze the data at the end devices, that type of analysis is going to be called as edge streaming analytics. Now this edge streaming analytics adds some benefits to your big data analytics. Now those benefits we are going to discuss here. The first benefit is reducing the data at the edge. Now analyzing the data at the edge, we are able to reduce the data which is produced at the edge, because data can be analyzed there only, and the data which is not required, or that data can be deleted. Hence we are going to reduce the data at the edge. This is the first key value which is added by your edge streaming analytics to the data analytics. Then the second key value is analysis and response at the edge. Now it is with the edge streaming analytics, it is possible to analyze the data at the edges, that is at the end devices, and it is also used to generate the responses at the edges. Then the third addition is time sensitivity. Now when timely response is required, you can use this edge streaming analytics. In that case, you can analyze the data at the end device, and you can send the responses to the particular devices in real time. These are the next we are going to discuss the edge analytic core functions. Now to perform analytics at the edge, the data need to be viewed as a real time flows. Hence whenever big data analytics is you are using, you need to treat the data to be flowed in real time. Hence that quick responses have to be generated. Hence the streaming analytics has been broken down into 3 different steps. The first step is raw input data, second one is analytics processing unit, and the third one is output stream. Now the raw input data, this is the raw data which is coming from the sensors into the analytic processing unit. Then second step is analytics processing unit. Now this processing unit is responsible for analyzing that particular data which is generated by the different sensors, and it has to produce some intelligence from that particular data. Then the third one is output stream. The task of this output stream is to send a particular response to the output to the particular sensors or actuators. The data that is output is organized into insightful streams, and it is used to influence the behavior of a smart objects. Now to take any necessary actions, you have to send these output data to the actuators of a particular smart object. This is how the edge analytic core functions work. The first one is raw input data, second one is analytics processing unit, and the third one is output stream. Now in figure you can illustrate this. The stages of data processing in an edge API. You have multiple raw input stream because you have multiple number of sensors. For each sensor you can have separate raw input stream. Then edge analytic processing. Basically you are going to have only one unit of this. Then the resulting output data, and this resulting output data is, after resulting that results are going to be stored onto the cloud using any data analytic tools such as Hadoop. Next, we are going to discuss the edge analytics core functions. Now, the first function of edge analytics is filter. The data which is generated by the different sensors, those sensor data has to be filtered, and this task is covered by this filter. And second one is transform. Now, the data is going to be read from different types of sensors which are generated by different values. Hence, all these data has to be converted to a form which can be understood by the data analytics software, and this transformation of data is done by your transform function. Then the third one is time. Now, the time is an important function because we require the real-time responses in IoT network, and this time is going to manage the average time required for processing of data. This is an example of comparing big data and our edge analytics. Now, the fourth function is correlate. For example, historical data may include the patient's past medical history such as blood tests and all. Now, combining this historical data gives the live streaming data a very powerful context and promotes more insights into the current conditions of the patient. Now, let us see this figure, how these core functions are going to work with edge analytics. Now, we have sensors sending the data. First of all, the data is going to be filtered, then it is going to be transformed. Then for correlating, you need to refer to the historical data. Then the final output stream is going to be generated. This is how the edge analytics works. Thank you.